How to fix printer in error state in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your printer in error state in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that your printer is connected properly with the wires. And the second thing is if you have any paper jam issue in your printer, then you might find this kind of problem. But if everything is fine, and if you're still facing this issue, then you need to restart your printer service. So to restart your printer service, just follow this video. So you just need to simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for services. Once you're on your services, now click on any service and then press P on your keyboard, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with Print Spooler service. So you need to double click on it, and it will take you to the properties. Here make sure the startup type is automatic, and after that you need to restart this service. If it is started, then you just need simply go with restart, which is on the left side. You will have restart option. You just need simply click on restart, and after restarting your printer spooler, you need to just restart your system and you need to restart your printer also. So restart both the services, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.